Hello, this is Ryan Schouten coming to you live from SharePoint Fest Seattle. Okay, no, I'm not, which is good. You still have time to make it to the session, the workshop that I'm going to be doing, which is getting started with SharePoint development. A lot of SharePoint development has changed a lot over the years. So it's getting really hard to be able to keep up with things. Or if you've started with SharePoint development, or if you're just still trying to figure it out, this workshop would be ideal for you. It's a half-day workshop where we go through talking about all the different things you need to know to call yourself a SharePoint developer. We'll talk about the server-side methodologies, client-side apps, SharePoint framework. We'll cover it all, and you'll have all the information that you need to be able to get ready to be able to do your development. So you still have time. SharePoint Fest Seattle is coming up starting August 20th, 2018. So I would love to see you there. Come say hello and come learn and everything you need to know about what it means to be a SharePoint developer and what you need to know. Hope to see you there.